Guys, welcome back to Blackburns Renovation. I'm here back at the renovation property. Finally, I got caught up on all the other jobs I had to do. So today what I'm gonna do, finna try to install these doors because the doorway is wide enough at the top but not wide enough at the bottom. So I got my dad's big sander and I'm gonna let y'all see me try to sand down the spot that's too wide and hopefully the door will fit in. So I'm gonna sit y'all to the side and let y'all see me sanding. Alright, so this the sander right here. This is the spot down here that's too wide. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go up and down to sand it on both sides and see if it works. My dad said it might work. I'll tell you what. I want that to come out. That won't be good. Still sliding on. Hold on, y'all. Let me get it right. Alrighty, got that. I just gotta see if this door will fit. Hopefully it does. Still don't think it's gonna fit. Nope. Still won't fit, y'all. Alright guys, so I didn't record me putting the other door in because it was a doozy. But I did manage to get it in, closed fine and everything. You see it's hung. So what I had to do was take out a 2x4 on the side because the opening has to be 34. The door is a 32. So I had to take a 2x4 out, which I did the same thing at this door right here. I took that 2x4 out. Now, what I'll have to go back and do is cut the size of the sheetrock off. But that way the door will fit. See, this one fits fine. Then it closes fine. See, everything closes just fine. But what I'm gonna have to tweak it so I won't have any gaps or anything in it. But everything works fine, which I see the screws tried to come loose right here. They tried to come loose. I did tighten them back up, so I'm gonna have to get some longer screws so everything will stay flush and straight. But what I'm about to do now is cut this opening out. What's going on? I'm back today at the renovation property. I didn't start recording when I first got here. I just jumped straight to work. I put the other back door in. Now I just have to do the bathroom door, which I'm gonna wait until I do the bathroom. And also I gotta do the 3 closet doors in the room. That'll be it for the doors. But I just been going around sanding. As y'all can tell, I'm a little dusty. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got done today. And yeah. That'll pretty much wrap it up for today. I gotta bring my bug spray back too and spray around these doors and windows because I see some little ants that got in the house. Them big black ants. So turn the camera around and show y'all what I got done. So I did go ahead and open it up some more. As y'all can see, I took those boards out and I pushed the electrical lines up. That's the entryway into the kitchen. He did want that open. Then also I'm gonna show you on the back side. I'm gonna open it up to that stud right there. So it's gonna be wider than expected. I think it'll look better like that. It'll give it more like a open concept. So I'm gonna do that, open it up. And this the wood that came off of it, and I'm gonna use it to frame up like a little luxury room area. So y'all stay tuned for that. And also going into the back of the house, you can see I got this door put up, going to this bedroom. Got that one put up today. It wasn't hard as the first two. So, I got that one put up yesterday. And I got this one put up yesterday. And I got this one put up today. And I was also in this room just doing a little sanding. Just doing a little sanding on the wall. So that way I can come in and prime everything. Ceiling fans still work good. They blow off cool heat. So once I get done with that, all I gotta do then is go around and prime all the walls. And once I prime all the walls, I'm gonna paint them. And once I get done painting, I'm gonna do the floor. Cause what I'm thinking about doing is going ahead and finishing this side of the house and then going into the bathroom and the kitchen and finishing that out. Cause the bathroom, it won't take much. The only thing I gotta do is go up there and change the tin on the roof so it won't leak anymore. And the same thing in the kitchen. Then I'm gonna come back in the bathroom, mud the bathroom, put the sheetrock up in the kitchen, mud it, sand it, prime it, paint it, put the floor down. So my plan is to be finished before the end of May. If the Lord's willing, I would be finished with this house. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not. So y'all just bear with me and I'm gonna get that done for y'all. So I know a lot of people been saying they can't wait to see the finished product. Yeah, I can't wait to see the finished product either. So I got some stuff in mind. I got a surprise for y'all coming. I might do a short, give y'all a little hint, but I'm excited. Cam excited. So it's been a journey and I got a surprise coming for y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. But, until then, I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. I won't get back with y'all tomorrow. I got to go back up to the job I did in South Haven. That carpet, y'all remember that carpet video? I got to go back up there. So apparently the landlord, he's kind of ticky, if you want to say. He got this company, they leasing the office space from him. But he goes there and tell them what they can and can't do. I don't understand it. Y'all might understand it, but my thought is if someone was leasing a building from someone, shouldn't it be to where if a company is leasing a building, they can go in and paint and put floor down if they want to without the landlord saying, no, don't do that. Because once that company leaves out of that building, the next company can come in and change it if they want to. But so tell me what y'all think. If y'all think that's appropriate or not, put it down in the comments and let me know. Cause my thoughts on it, I might have different thoughts than everybody else. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here for today. Gotta go get me something to eat. I'm getting hungry. And probably what I'll do tomorrow once I come back from South Haven, stop by Lowe's, pick up the paint, order the flooring, and I gotta check on these windows. There's a lot of windows, so I gotta check on that, which they might have to order them. I don't tell them how long it's gonna take for them to come in, the way everything's going today. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all soon. I am dusty. But hey, check out the new threads. Check them out. Yeah, but that ain't the surprise I was talking about. Y'all probably, it's gonna be a minute before I show y'all the surprise I'm talking about. Yup. But y'all like that? Check it out. Cam made the design. I think she gonna do a short and show y'all the back. So y'all stay tuned for that. But we got all the walls sanded. I won't be coming here tomorrow. I gotta go up to another property and fix something up there. But we got all these walls sanded. So I'm gonna come in Monday. I'm gonna prime everything. And once I prime everything, I'm gonna come back Tuesday and paint. And I picked out the paint color. I don't know what I did. Oh, it's in the truck. But I'll show y'all that it's a vanilla. It's a pretty color, neutral color, what they say they wanted. And it's gonna match the floor good also. But yeah, we got everything primed down, ready to paint. So all I gotta do is come in. I'm gonna get my shop vac, come in and vacuum up all the sheetrock dust that's on the floor. Monday, I'm gonna do that Monday also. I got the trim ordered, the quarter round and the shoe molding. I got all of that ordered. What else? I think that's about it for now. So we will go up there to Lowe's probably on Tuesday or Wednesday and pick up the shoe molding, quarter round, and the flooring. I haven't got the ceiling trim yet, but it's coming. So like I said, we'll be done with this before the end of May. God's willing, we'll be done. Like I said, we gotta do the bathroom in the kitchen. We gonna get that done. But hey, other than that, everything coming along fine. We gonna get it together. So this will pretty much end it for this week. Like I said, I won't be here tomorrow. I will be back Monday, and I'll start a whole new episode Monday. Come back Monday, prime the walls, get up the sheetrock dust. Tuesday, well, yeah, I got the trim down to pick up Tuesday. So we'll get the flooring and the trim Tuesday. Then come back over here and, sweep up everything on the floor, get some of the trash up. Then I start laying the floor down. And once I lay the floor down, I can go ahead and put the trim down. Once I put the trim down, I can start on the kitchen. Cause I'm gonna block this off right here. So dust and stuff won't come on this side of the house. I'll just be working over here on this side. And back door right there, we'll just access through the back door and everything. A little pan around. I gotta do this wall, but pan around of everything we got done today. Sheetrock dust everywhere. Y'all seen I was looking kind of dusty. It may not look like it's sandy on camera, but it is. I got proof. Well, my dad has swept up mostly all of the sheetrock dust for now. But I'm gonna come back with the shop vac and get the rest of it up. What's going on, guys? I didn't come back Monday, but welcome back to Blackburn's Renovations. So I'm over at the house today, which is what, Wednesday? Monday I had to go help another contractor. He do the same thing I do. And basically he just needed a little help to get finished on time. So I went over there and helped him and it worked out good. He called me this morning. He said, Dre, he said, man, I gotta go out of town. He said, and a woman called me and she needs some work done. He said, if you don't mind, he said, I want to call you first before I pass your number along. I told him, I said, that's fine. Anytime you need some help, just reach out. So he reached out to me and I got to go over there tomorrow morning, which is Thursday. Tomorrow morning is Thursday. I go over there and look at that. Then I'm coming back over here to the renovation property. Show me look at that and give her a quote. She got some rotten wood she need replaced on her facial boards because she planning on getting gutters installed in her house. So she asked me would I come over and look at it for her and give her a price and everything. But today here at the renovation property, it was prime day. I got 2 rooms primed. I started on the 3rd one, ran out of prime. So I just knew I had 2 buckets of prime, 2 5-gallon buckets, which is 10 gallons. So I got to get another 5-gallon bucket in order to prime the whole house. And then I can paint, then I can put the flooring down. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the phone around and show y'all what I got done today. So I got this room primed. I got the door primed. This room looking good all the way around. It's really not completely dry yet, but it's looking good. I got the closet primed down. Got the shelves primed down to go in the closet. So this room looking pretty good. I turned the fan up on high so it can dry it up pretty quickly. This room over here, this is looking pretty good also. I didn't prime this spot yet because I got a sand net. I thought it had been sanded, but it hasn't. But the rest of it looks good. And also above the door, I got a sand net also. But everything else looks good. And I got to prime that closet. I'm gonna sweep it out and everything and prime it. And I still got to get a switch to go in here for this fan to come on and work. That will to help dry this up also. But yeah, I got this primed down. Everything looking good in here. Now this room, I started in here, and this is where I ran out of primer. So you can see that wall. I was almost done with that wall. I got the door primed, but I gotta finish the rest. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good, pretty good. Excited. Real excited. Almost to the end. It's been a journey. So I hope y'all been enjoying the content that I've been putting out, that my beautiful wife been editing for y'all. She do a good job editing. She designed these shirts. So y'all gonna see the back of the shirts and everything. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up. And hey, I'll see y'all next time.